头这就不得有一的莫阿美加多 recruit 被有老外包我就要完全的问炮我手地台都研究我要 no Vietnamese communist vì ở đây lỡ tôi chẳng phải tới chơi phải chơi đây giờ phải vào phải chơi cho nên là chơi có phải ngô hu có phải trồng mông sở đời sở tí thái tù nhá là lia
còn nếu phun vào bỏ ba bộ tàu giờ nếu phun vào bỏ thì ba bộ tàu giờ nếu phun vàoต้องการนั่นจีgiờ nếu phun vào bỏจุดเดียนี่เท่าจะพอตัวสินะจะกูมันเทียกูนั่งนะแล้วจีเท่าอีสิจะปวดจอยอยู่อีนะจีไม่กล้าเที่ยวลีเท่าจะพอตัวในพูดว่าbỏในพูดว่าbỏที่จ่อไปจะมงลำมูเนี่ยนะตัวจีปูจะยาลามัวกับตัวลูกเต๋อเขียมบลออวกคอมมิวนิสต์
The biggest thing the Hmong gave during the war was their life. They died in order to try to preserve their way of life, to save people they did not know, people they have never seen in their lives before, and to rescue and to help down pilots and to gather information to give to people from a country they have never met. And for us, our people to say, sure, we'll do it. That's amazing. That's something that cannot be overlooked.
They were not paid so they can go fight in a war. They fought to protect their home. They fought to protect their families. They fought to protect their loved ones. It just so happened that they were fighting for democracy and for freedom in the essence of the founding fathers of this country.
There is not one aspect of the secret war that has not affected our Hmong people. For our Hmong people to sacrifice what they did for the secret war so that it can blaze a trail for us to get here in this country. But it was at the expense of so many lives. And so I know fully as a Hmong American that I stand on the shoulders of so many people who gave up their last breath so that I can have this. And I don't for 1 minute take that for granted.
I owe our veterans so much. We owe our veterans so much. We absolutely need to honor them because, they are the catalyst for us to make that trek to the United States.
Hmong veterans sacrificed their life. That's why we are here. We need to remember the Hmong veteran. We need to appreciate each of them and appreciate they sacrifice their life.
Cú tôi mua tàu mong yêu lối tàu nền mong thế, tôi mua cổ bê sông thế, cú là bự sa rồi rong xe, cú bộ quá chỉ tàu rồi cho mong ngày còn mong đi mong tới gì nào nè, giờ con tới nữa, có cú mua xe tiền gì đó, mua cho xe đó mong tiền nè.
The Hmong Americans need to see themselves as embodying leadership, embodying knowledge, embodying the future of this valley. There is a woven tapestry that we are seeing right now being woven before our eyes. And people need to understand, the Hmong need to understand more than anything, that they are a crucial element to the success of this valley now and in the future as well.
Nên tê công hồng nên cho đồ bê nên chân cha nên một bùa ở cho đồ bê bùa lúc tê chờ và măng nó bê cho mình nhột mong bê cho tuôn dài mong bê yo chỉ nó bê yo chỉ một cho bà chê bê yo nhon jong đồ bê đồ xia bê yo một thoát tờ kia nâng địa tê cả là bao giờ nên tê chân chi mua nè đàn ông này ở chỉ lúc chơi lúc chi lúc là lịch chữ gì muốn nên cho xia là một tí thái bê mong bây giờ tôi chọn mình cả là thế chúng một số nhau, để con đó giờ khó bây giờ nhau một chỉ ta chỉ có, 我教能到到那家我呢我知，我教能到就找被子拉那盆，我教着被叫孤独照，这被叫捏孤独照，我呢教。